Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech is Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can activate Rustle theme on Instagram. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to tap on Instagram. Once you open the Instagram, on the message icon, you just need to tap on it and tap on any of the chat. Here you can see that the theme is set into Olivia Rodrigo. For changing the theme, you need to tap on the profile of this user. On the top you can, and on the theme you need to tap on. Here you can see the bunch of themes, so scroll down and search for the Russell theme. So below the Loki season 2 you can see the Russell. So tap on it and go back again. Here you can see that the theme has been active to Russell theme on Instagram. So thank you.